All right, so Matt, I know you as a competitive guy. You just donated, by the way, $32 million to Michigan State, and you were walk-on the 2000 team that won the championship. So you're a tough guy, and I know you like to go at it. So a lot of people are saying that you did this kind of an ultimatum to the people at Rocket that basically said, look, if you're a broker and you want to do business with Rocket, it's going to hurt you. And you even said that there's a kind of a penalty, a $5,000 penalty if you do business with them. I can't imagine this has necessarily been well received. I've got some negative opinion pieces of David Stevens, who's a regulator, Jack Yost, a professor, saying that this isn't good for the consumer, not good for the industry. What do you say to that?
Yeah, so absolutely. I understand. I know what the how different people want to portray it, but the decision was not about doing things exclusively. We basically said, hey, mortgage brokers, 12,000 of you guys. If you're partnering with Rocket, they're out there doing things to, maybe you call it underhandedly or maybe in a gray area, to affect consumers and brokers. And what we're saying is, listen, I can't stop them, but if you're going to work with them, don't work with us. That's nothing crazy. There's 75 wholesale lenders. I'm not taking away choice from anyone. It's actually been very positive. Out of my 12,000 brokers, less than 500 have said they're going to go with them. And once again, you'll see that in the second quarter numbers as a lot of people want to talk about it. But the reality is brokers are all in. They understand that Matt and UWM is here to protect the broker channel and consumers because consumers get lower rates when they go through a broker. That's not an opinion. That's a fact. And so findamortgagebroker.com driving more consumers to brokers, and where Rocket and some other companies are trying to take them out. And so we just stood up for what was right, and we always are going to do what's right.
Well, you said in your last quarter that you guided to 235 basis point improvement here. Are you able to maintain that with this penalty that you put on? Are you still able to do those numbers?
Has nothing to. Yeah, the penalty. The first quarter numbers, we're going to be right within that range of 200 to 235, like I gave guidance on. But the penalty has nothing to do with it. This is about futuristic. How do we win long term? How do the brokers continue to win and consumers win as well? And that's what happened, and that's what's going to happen. And my competitors don't like it. Like, my business is not designed to make my competitors like me. No. That's just not how I'm going to do things. I'm going to win for my shareholders and team members and brokers.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.